posting amazing content on YouTube but barely gets views. It might not be your content, but your timing. So, all right, we're going to be looking at how timing, okay, posting at the right time is going to help you to grow on YouTube, okay. First and foremost, YouTube is very, very smart, but very, very time sensitive. Yes, the time you post on YouTube matters a lot. Why? Because it can affect, okay, your views. It can also increase your views. That's why you have to take this into consideration. Now, when you post at the right time on YouTube, what it does is that your video is likely to appear on home pages, notifications, and on feeds. Yes, they are going to appear on that. Secondly, the reason why you should do this is that, okay, it will give you more early engagement, like comment, views, and like. YouTube will push your videos, they will push your content. Now, the third one is this, that if you post when your audience is busy, okay, you are likely not to get anything. Let's look at this thing like someone who opens a store. Okay, if you're opening a store, you're not going to open a store when the street is empty. You're not going to open a store when everybody is already asleep. That is how you should take YouTube. So you don't post on YouTube when your audience are busy, or when the streets of YouTube is already what, empty. No, you have to post when your audience, when they are ready, when they are ready to watch. You have to do that. Okay, if you don't do that, if you post at the wrong time when your audience, maybe they are sleeping, okay, or maybe they are busy, then that video will be buried very fast. That is how it is. So treat it as someone that opens a shop. You want to open your shop when the street is very busy because you want to make sales. Treat it like that. Okay. Now, the best time to post on YouTube, okay, for weekdays, that is Monday to Friday. The best time to post is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, this will help YouTube to push your, to index your video and then push it at the to push it before the peak of the time. Okay, it will help them. So when you do this, it will help them. Now, for weekends, okay, the best time to post during weekend is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Why? Because during weekend, people tend to scroll through their phone in the early hours of the day. Because it's weekend, they're not going to work, so they are relaxed. Okay, they wake up, say their prayers, and then the next thing, they are going through their phones. So you want to post at this time, because it is expected that your audience at this time are what's going through the their phone. They are going through their phone. All right. So I don't know if this video is helping you. Please do well to subscribe. But remember this. You have to remember this, that what works for you depends on your audience. That's why you have to take your time, okay, to know what works for you. How do you do this? Go to your YouTube studio and check your analytics, okay? Go to audience tab and then check the time that your audience are viewing. Check the time they are watching, okay, to help you to know when to drop your video. And also know that the time for short and long videos are different, so you have to also check this too. When your the time your shorts might be doing well, will not be the same time with the other long video. So you have to do this. And then another tip to consider while doing this is that always schedule your videos, okay, 1 to 2 hours before the peak time. Make sure you have a strong thumbnail and a good caption that will gun people to your video, that will attract them to click your video. Make sure your thumbnail and your caption is what, or your title is attractive. Okay, and then ensure you reply to early comments. It helps to build engagement. It gives good signal. Okay, it gives good signal to people. And then finally, remember that the best time to post on YouTube, okay, is when your audience when they are ready, when your audience is ready, okay? When they are ready, not when you are ready to upload. Mm-mm. No, it is when your audience are ready. All right. So if this video helped you, if you like what you just saw, if you think that this video is gonna help you or it has helped you, please do well to just subscribe to this video, okay? Share this video and then comment on the comment section the best time you are posting, okay, so that we can compare and see. All right, thanks for staying tuned. See you in our next video.